I'm about to harvest. It's a small harvest, nevertheless, it's a harvest, okay? Okay, I spent one here. There's one here, but it's not ready yet. I'm gonna get these two right here. Can you see them? There's one down there, there's one here, there's one here, there's one over there. I think there's one further down. Yeah, two. I'm gonna get these two. I don't want them to go bad. I'm just gonna get them. I'm gonna get this one too while I'm at it. And then I have this little one. I think I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer. But this one I'm definitely gonna get it off. And this one too. See? And then there's this one. And then there's one here, a green one. It's small, I'm gonna leave it. One here and one here. I'm gonna take them off. And this one, there's like, you can see that green one left. I'm gonna let that a little bit longer. And this one, I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer. And this one is a big one. I don't think it's ready yet. And I have this other tree over here. It's producing some, you see? And there's another one right here. I think there's a harvest. Wow, I'm so happy. And this is all from kitchen scraps. You know, I was just throwing the seeds in the pot and they grew. So that makes me so happy.